theory paper also the questions are going to be asked onto the design and implementation of the combinational logic circuits. Now, how to design the combinational circuits? First step is you have to identify the problem statement. First, whatever the problem statement is given, you just identify or analyze the problem definition. Now, once you will identify the problem definition, now you have to identify number of input variables. Identify the number of input variables. Now, once the input variables you have identified, now you have to assign the symbols to the input and variables. Identify number of input variables. Give the names or the symbols. Give the names or symbols to the variables. After identifying the variable names, now you have to derive the truth table. What is your next task? Derive the truth table for the identified input variables. If 3 variables you have identified, then 2 raised to 3, that is 8 input combinations. In the truth table, you have to write. Then for these input variables, what will be the outputs? What will be the outputs with inputs and outputs? You have to write with inputs and outputs. The truth table you have to derive. Once the truth table you have derived, now you have to obtain the simplified Boolean function. Now that Boolean function you have to now obtain by using the logic gates. Use the logic gates to design the circuit. Okay, so these are the 5 most important steps you have to perform into the design procedure. Now, how the question is going to be asked to you, we'll see here. The question is going to be asked like this. Obtain the combinational logic circuit with 3 input variables. With 3 input variables that will produce a logic 1 output. Logic 1 output when one input is or as logic 1. So the problem will be given to like this. Obtain the logic circuit with the 3 input variables that will produce a logic 1 output when more than 1 inputs are at a logic. Clear? How the question is given to you. Now this question, how you can implement, how you can design. What is my first step? First step in the design procedure, derive the input, find out the problem definition. Now the problem definition, you just analyze the problem definition. What is problem definition? 3 input variables we have to take and we have to derive the output as 1 when out of these 3 inputs more than 2 inputs are 1. That is my problem statement. Second step is identify input variables and give the names. Now how many inputs are given here in your problem? 3 inputs. Now the names I can assign as a ABC. You can give any names, X, Y, Z, whatever you want to give. Now give the symbolic names. So ABC, symbolic names we have given. What is the next step now? Derive the truth table with the input and output. Now for 3 inputs, the possible input combinations are 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So for 3 input variables, the possible input combinations are 8. So you have to derive the truth table like this. And what the output should be? the output 1. The combinational logic produces the output as a 1 when more than one input. When more than one input is at a logic 1. Now for the first case, the input is 0, 0, 0. So what the output will be? 0. Second one, the input is 0, 0, 1. More than one input, then the output will be 1. More than one input 1 hai kya? Nahi hai. Only one input is having a value 1. So the output will be 0. Clear? Now similarly, 0, 1, 0. Only one input is there, so output will be 0. Now the 0, 1, 1. More than 1, so the output will be 1. 1, 0, 0, output will be 0. 1, 0, 1, output will be 1. 1, 1, 0, output will be 1. 1, 1, 1, output will be 1. So this is the truth table for the given problem. Clear? Identify the truth table. Now once you will identify the truth table, what is the next procedure now? Obtain the simplified Boolean function. Now again we have seen in the first unit how to obtain the expression. How to obtain the expression from the truth table. Now how to obtain the simplified expression from the truth table? You can minimize the, you can use the K-map. You can use the K-map. Yes. Now by using a K-map, you can identify the Boolean expression. Now identify the Boolean expression. As here in the question is produces the output is produces the logic 1. Means the expression will be SOP expression. We have to consider the one output inputs. Clear? So my expression will be 1. Now how to identify the expression? First plot the K-map. Plot the truth table onto the K-map. A, B, C. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0 and 1. When the input is 0, now 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1, the inputs are given. Means this is M0, M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, M6 and M7. Now directly plot M3. This is 0, 1, 2 and 3. 4, 5, 6 and 7. Directly M3 will be 1. M5 1, M6 1, M7 1. Now after plotting the output 1 onto the K-map, now you make the groupings. Grouping, how you can perform the grouping now? This will be my first pair, this will be my second pair, this will be my third pair. Group 1, what is expression? Group 1, this is and C. For a group 2, what is expression? A and B. For a group 3, what is expression? B and C. Now my expression is Y is equal to AC plus AB plus BC. Now this is the expression. AC plus AB plus BC. Now after, is it possible to simplify the expression? No. Already it is simplified. Now after the Boolean expression, now design the expression by using logic circuits. Now design by using logic circuits. AND gate, AND gate, AND gate. 3 inputs. First one is AC, then AB, then BC, and perform the OR of a 3 inputs. You will get the output Y. Clear? This is the logic.